Kinwestiyon ng Commission on Audit ang paglalabas ng PhilHealth ng 14.97 billion pesos na pondo sa iba't ibang healthcare institution.
Halos 90 billion pesos na halaga ng benepisyo sa PhilHealth ang hindi napakinabangan ng mga Pilipino noong nakaraang taon batay sa audit report ng Commission on Audit. Una pa ng COA, imbes na palawakin ang benefit package, inilagak ng PhilHealth ang pondo sa mga investment.
PhilHealth, the government agency is responsible for protecting the health of millions of Filipinos, faced one of its biggest controversies in 2020. During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, allegations of corruption, fund mismanagement, and questionable financial decisions triggered outrage and congressional investigations. In this documentary, we look into the happened, why it matters, and what lessons we can learn as future financial managers.
In 2020, whistleblowers claimed that around 15 billion pesos were lost through alleged corruption inside PhilHealth. This claim centered on the agency's interim reimbursement mechanism, or IRM, a system intended to support hospitals during emergencies but allegedly used without proper documentation and clear justification.
Senate hearing also revealed concern about overpriced IT equipment. Some ITs were allegedly listed at prices far higher than market value, raising serious questions about procurement practices and budget transparency.
The scandal highlighted multiple ethical problems: misuse of public funds, conflict of interest, and weak internal controls. Ethical expectations for public officials include honesty, transparency, and responsible financial stewardship. But in this case, many of those principles were reportedly violated.
Another major issue was the lack of transparency. Reports suggested that important financial decisions were made without sufficient documentation. When an institution handling billions of pesos fails to provide clear records, ethical red flags immediately arise.
Experts pointed out that PhilHealth suffered from poor corporate governance. There were weak audit system, slow detection of irregularities, and limited oversight over financial transactions.
This breakdown in governance created an environment where unethical practices could take place without immediate accountability. The scandal showed how essential strong internal audit systems are preventing fraud and mismanagement. The PhilHealth case teaches us the importance of implementing strong internal control system. Every financial transaction must be transparent, well documented, and regularly audited. Without these safeguards, organizations, especially those handling public funds, became vulnerable to fraud.
The scandal also emphasizes the role of ethical leadership. Leaders shape the culture of an organization. When leaders ignore proper procedures or tolerate questionable practices, it sets a negative example that affects everyone below them.
In addition, the case reminds us that accountability is non-negotiable. Agencies managing public money must be held to the highest standard because every peso mishandled affects millions of citizens who depend on essential services. As a student in business and finance, this case opened our eyes to the real impact of financial mismanagement. We realized that handling money, especially public money, is a serious responsibility that requires integrity and discipline.
It also made us understand that corruption doesn't happen instantly. It grows in environments where transparency is weak and accountability is ignored. That is why ethical values must guide every decision we make, both now and in our future careers.
We believe that trust in a public institution depends on consistent honesty. Once trust is lost, it is very difficult to regain. This case challenged us to reflect on what kind of professionals we want to become. The PhilHealth Fund mismanagement allegation serves as an important reminder that
Effective financial management requires transparency, responsibility, and strong oversight.
By learning from the failures, we can hope for a future where public institutions are more accountable and where public funds are used wisely and ethically. Thank you for watching!